How did I make this animation? First, you'll need a 3D model of a building. You can get this model from a Sketchfab. I'll drop the link in the description. Then you need to place the buildings like this by duplicating them. Once your buildings are placed properly, start adding assets for the rooftops to make the scene look better. I'll include those links in the description too. After that, add a background image. Then take the Spider-Man character. I'll give you the link for that in the description. Import that model into Mixamo. Set it up for rigging and then just hit next. Now from here, choose any animation that you like and then export it. Once exported, bring the character into Blender and check the animation. When the character is placed correctly, play the animation and see how it looks. After that, add a camera, animate the camera, and if you want a blurry background, add a force field. Also, use some tricks and add-ons to give your camera realistic movement. Then add lights, light the scene properly. Choose the output location and select PNG sequence for rendering. Then just hit render animation. Once the render is done, open DaVinci Resolve or whichever software you use. If you are using Premiere, watch a video on YouTube on how to import a PNG sequence in Premiere. In DaVinci, go to the Media tab, then go to the location where you rendered your sequence and simply add it. Once your scenes are added, do the editing. Then go to the Color tab and do the color grading. And yeah, now you can see your animation is ready. You can clearly see the difference between the video straight from Blender and the final version after editing and color grading in DaVinci. That's why I personally prefer DaVinci. Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Goodbye.